Okay, so good evening. My name is Troy Roden. Some of you know me as Lagabens. So happy welcome to all viewers and subscribers. So I'm just doing a little chit chat this evening. So I do this video series about the real cost. The real cost to build a house, concrete was cheap, and I highly appreciate the viewers, subscribers, family and friends who view so far. And I get a lot of comments and feedback. I try to answer as much questions as I can. Well, about for the past 2 weeks I haven't uploaded a video. I have a video in the making, processing. I will be uploading that video on this Friday. Yeah, that's when I will be doing my next upload. So based on question and comments, I highly appreciate the comments and question, and I try to answer as much as I can. And some people say I'm doing a good job. They appreciate it. They like the videos. They understand what I'm saying. As I always say, I don't know everything, but I know a lot, and I try to give as much information as I can and make it simple. So that's what I'm just doing here this evening. And so far, thank you guys for the thumbs up, and I highly appreciate it. And just decide to come face to face with fans and subscribers this evening, to make a difference, because most of the time I'm behind the scene talking, I haven't come on screen on a regular basis. So this is me, I'm the man with the knowledge, the understanding. So I'm a builder, I'm a contractor, I'm everything. And I do many more things, but I just stick to this right about now. So I'm the one who share the information and things. So in the future, I will do some video and physically involved with the work. So you guys will see that I'm not just talking. What I talk is what I do. But that will be more a more technical thing to do, because I'm the one who behind the camera most of the time. And so it's more work. They're gonna need more people to join the crew to make it me while I'm working and the record is running. So I'm just here to say I really appreciate the viewers and subscribers, family and friends, who watch my video and give me the support. And based on comments, some people ask questions, I answer as much as I can. Some I haven't attended to yet, but I will, because sometimes I'm pretty well busy. So I don't know if this video will make a difference to you guys, because most of the time, most people don't even know what I look like. This is me. So just give me a thumbs up. Leave your question. Just about anything, I'm here to help. Share the knowledge. Okay, so one thing I can remember, I think someone is asking me that I need a plan. So when they say you need a plan, yeah, well, what kind of plan you need, what the plan is about, and all of these things. So you need a plan, is just say they need a plan. So in the description, I think I'll have a WhatsApp contact number. You see me? Swabelin High House. Big up yourself. And that is why ATM. Yeah, so there's a link in the description where sometime I have time, sometimes I don't have the time, where people will WhatsApp me on that number and we kind of do some physical talking. So that's when you go in a deeper content, because like try to text here and all details, I don't really, sometimes I cannot manage that. So talking kind of cover more grounds than texting. But texting kind of good for me because other people will see the information. But I think you will understand that. So when I want to say, because I do 3D as well, because sometimes I do a couple of 3D jobs for some of the viewers and subscribers. So a shout out to those people who give me a job, to make their 3D plan. I do that as well. So they contact me with the WhatsApp. They give me like a little sketch of what they would like their 3D to be like, and I create it, send it a little video clip, and they say alright, they like it, or they say some adjustment, and so I do some work. I get some work done. So some people work with me, some people just ask questions and that's it. But that's how it goes. You have people have different personalities, so that's it. I try to give what information I can and whatever. Alright, one more thing I think someone was asking about something about concrete. Yeah, I can't remember this one. One of the message was some mason for do a job, some ceiling job, and they say it was allow, and because they were saying because it was pre-mix, why it is like that. Well, based on my understanding with concrete and whatever, if it is man-mix or pre-mix concrete, the nature of concrete is kind of unique, or it behaves. So if the concrete dry too fast, it will crack. So if a man-mix or pre-mix, it will crack. So the most of the time, because of the peer pressure, meaning say the men's who are doing the work under pressure, but if you have someone who's kind of wetting the concrete during the process, you have less crack and less stress. But most of the time, based on the amount of pressure, and maybe not have enough crew, people not pay attention to that. But if you're spending this huge money on concrete, you don't want it to crack. So that's also some more tips. I think someone asked a question and I didn't answer that question, so I'm just answering here. And I didn't drop any down in the notes to this live stream, so I do have most of the thing. I just can't remember something and saying, but I decided I would have made the day done and I didn't go live. So I will answer more questions in the comment section, and I'm always here to help, So just reach out to me, leave your question, give me a link, and things. So I'm not really good at streaming and talking for a long minute with and then it's not like if I have like someone who asks me a question, then would I go down in a more detail and keep my brain more going. So I'm just trying to keep a link with my viewers and subscribers. So what I even can set up stream where I can invite people to ask questions live if they wish to do. So like, I send them a link and then I would like chat into them and scream and thing. But those are the things to become further on, So they say have the dream and then you make your dream come to reality. So those things will come where I could do my thing different. So I'll be streaming and like someone live, and if they like link me, I can send them a link, answer them question and scream. So like you see me and the person chit-chatting if they wish to come and scream. So those are the things I have in mind for further on. And yeah, I kind of know a lot of stuff and I can do something and make my channel different, but you have to dream first and then you make it reality. So this is all about us. Coming this Friday, I'll be sending based on that same house where I do the I think it's 6 series or 7 series. Since the decking is complete, I haven't shown inside and around to get a closer view on what the job is like. So I'll be doing, that is what the video will be all about on next Friday. And below these set of videos, I try to leave the material list in the description, and there's a link. If you want to print out the material list and some information, there's a link. You follow the link, it leads to a website. It's my website, CMA, and you just print out the material list. Because sometimes people just want some information for kind of up to date with what we're going. So I just try to do that. So I highly appreciate you guys following the thing. Leave some good comments. Some people don't like what's happening. I get commented one, I think, oh, this is what one person said. They didn't impress about the steel work on the job because they said that the building didn't have any over support. Well, yeah, the building didn't have any over support, but the thing is this, sometimes you're doing a building, as much as you are the builder, the person might not have enough money and they say they're not doing the over support. So the main reason for the over support is for earthquake. So whenever earthquake on the building shake, it would withstand more pressure and more rock. But it's not like the building cannot done it over the over support. It can, but with the over support, it's stronger and better. So I think that's the most negative comment where one person say it's a red flag because the building didn't have any over support. So I would argue and say it shouldn't, but it's not that critical. It's not that critical. And then sometimes as the person who doing the job, if the customer say they don't have the money to do the over support, what can I do? Leave the building, don't complete the building. So please understand that's the reason for no over support. So I gotta spread this thing video short and say I highly appreciate to viewers and who leave a comment and thumbs up. And next week I'll be dropping a new video to show around that same 2,800 square feet of building. And I'm out. I highly appreciate the support. So thank you all for tuning in. Peace. Or do I end this thing? Oh, sorry. Come here.